Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, March 6, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather, we have a high of 82, a low of 54, mostly sunny, and a low chance of rain. Birthdays. We have a couple of birthdays that we missed or need to catch up on. On March 1st, Miss Lartigue celebrated a birthday, so happy birthday to Miss Lartigue. March 3rd, Araya Williams. March 4th, Naomi Howell. March 6th, today, we have Nick Davis and Denilah Scott. Happy birthday! Today's announcements. Thank you to everyone for making our halls look amazing. And they really did. They really do. They are incredible. Teachers and students, I'm so impressed. Our guests were also so impressed with the creativity and talent that was on display. Congratulations to the pre-KK and first for winning the distinguished medals. But all of these halls were absolutely fantastic. I don't know how they picked a winner. Also, this week we will begin testing ACAP alternate students in Ms. Stewart's office across from the nurses station. Please be mindful of noise level when transitioning in the hallway and when having conversations near that area or even down the hall. Third quarter parent contact logs are due to Ms. Gibbs on Teacher Workday, Monday, March 20th. ACAP summative testing will begin on March 21st. We will hold individual ACAP goal setting meetings with students beginning this week. We want our students to realize the importance of doing their best on the state assessment. We are working on details for the incentive for our students who scored 3s or 4s on last year's assessments. Today's late duty is check, tomorrow low, and then finishing the week, Hogan, Curd, and Hatcher. Important dates. Tomorrow we have, tomorrow we have spring pictures, but ACAP alternate, I believe, is going to begin today. March 9th, we have PST. March 16th, we have tutoring ending. March 17th, Kona Ice, and third quarter ends. March 21st, Teacher Workday, and March 22nd, ACAP summative begins. Congratulations to our iReady Stars of the Week. So this is for last week's winners. The top kindergarten and first class was Miss Shaver. The top second and third class, Miss Curd. The top fourth and fifth class is Miss Barnes. The top K&1 student is Princeton Key with 10 lessons passed in Miss Shaver's class. The top second third is Samara Shannon with 10 lessons passed in Miss Hatcher's class. And the top 4-5 student, Jonathan Brandow, with 7 lessons passed in Miss Bertolino's class. Way to go, guys! Good job working super hard to be the iReady Star of the Week. Still working on questions, so if you want to send those, we'll collect them in the library. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Shepherd Scholars.